2 men were injured in a knife attack that took place following an argument in New York's Port Authority bus terminal yesterday. A knife attack took place at around 8:50 p.m. on New Year's Eve at the Port Authority bus terminal just blocks away from Times Square in New York. An argument broke out between the suspect and a group of men in the bathroom. The suspect followed the group out and slashed 2 of the men with a box cutter. 1 man was wounded in the back of his head, while another sustained a slash wound to his stomach. The suspect fled the scene, and Port Authority was placed on a lockdown following the incident.